Hey everyone, welcome back to Mark Lakin's channel. The market is currently in the final stage of the bear cycle. Bitcoin has already dropped below the 200-week moving average, and historically, this has always been a sign that a bottom is forming, followed by a rally in both Bitcoin and altcoins. PEPE's chart looks pretty good when you compare it to the major meme coins that were popular during this cycle. All of them have corrected heavily, and many of them have even made new lows. PEPE, on the other hand, is clearly still trading above the accumulation range from 2023. Also, compared to many other coins, PEPE never really crashed significantly below the wick formed in October 2025. The main thing I would be watching right now is the 50-week moving average. Once the price starts breaking above it, that could give us a signal that a new bullish phase is beginning. There are plenty of upside targets on the chart. The first one is the highs formed in December 2025. The second is the summer highs from 2025. And the final target is the all-time high zone. If the market doesn't see a major crash in August or September, I think ONDO is also somewhere near its bottom. The October 2025 lows have been holding very well, and the price has been holding the 20 cents area for almost a year now. But one thing I would always keep in mind is that you should never use leverage when buying altcoins, spot only, and always use a DCA strategy so you can gradually build your position even if the price keeps correcting. Going back to ONDO, the 50-week moving average is also very close here, and breaking above it would give us a signal that the trend is starting to reverse. There are two major upside targets here: the summer 2025 highs and the all-time high. Hype has now reached a very important level. If the price breaks below $53 and manages to stay below it, we could potentially see a drop toward the $30 to $35 range. That's where I would start considering gradually building a spot position. Another important factor here is the 200-day moving average. The last time the price broke below this line, it triggered a 50% crash, and that only makes the bearish scenario even more likely. ICP is one of those altcoins that actually broke below its 2023 bottom and is now forming a new trading range. Here, I wouldn't focus too much on the moving averages because the most important thing, and basically the minimum requirement before we can even start talking about a new bullish move, is a breakout of the trend line. The current range could still expand. The main thing is that ICP holds the current $1.5 to $2.5 range and eventually approaches and breaks through the trend line. After that, the most likely scenario would be a move back toward the 2024 highs. ETHENA is forming another bottom, similar to what we've already seen before. Just like with the previous two coins, the key here is for the current from 5 to 15 cents range to hold. We don't want to see ETHENA dumping significantly below this area. If the range holds, the upside targets would be the highs of the previous rallies. But if the market takes another major leg down and ETHENA breaks below this range as well, it could take a long time before the next uptrend begins. Because after a major expansion in volatility, we usually see volatility contraction, and after a strong dump, the price will likely need to build a new accumulation range before the next major move to the upside. My friends, if you want to trade, use my registration link for the BitTunix exchange. You will get excellent conditions for trading, 25% discount on trading commissions, and a welcome bonus for new users. The link is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I wish you all massive profits.